query. Sa samna meka no aban ne say entesa nipa no ye bust papa no me money din or say entesa enti ye query me to come and respond me producers ina no be any ho hancho ye hunu respond ye mfama asamba ko pe na me koka kire Chikwam e won your office say Mr. Chikwam, I know what I am talking about. Whatever I am telling you about bust, the $60 million is the truth. That is the fact. I will never retract that story. I will prefer to resign from multimedia than to go on air and apologize for what I know is the truth. And for one more than 1 week, I'm in call air and Professor Name
Captain Smart.
I was hey my bro.
He is smart. He is
unique. Captain. And a question 2 car. Papa, me will fear sign and near sometime. Until you would agree with me, say what I'm saying is the truth. Or share story ni or see play it. Or tear or Miami Hall. Or tear story ni be ye. Or then a driver your friend is Sammy and a buy. Or tear at the end ya and or say okay. Come to work on Monday. We will sit on this matter again. Kobi said Nana Pieti was my programs manager. I'm going to assign me query. Nana Pieti assign query no. Or if you Nana Pieti assign me query on bust. Kobi said no. Or if you have say Nana Machi. Afei first story no to ho na yenkan. Enra me seresa Ghana is set to take delivery of some oil pipelines from the United States after 12 years delay.
Africa is rich
and poor. The pipelines were first procured back in 2009 for bust to use. The delay is, however, as a result of some managerial setbacks at bust. The Bulk Oil Storage and Transportation Company Limited is expected to take delivery of the pipelines from the United States of America by the end of August 2021. Bampacho Emedruye. This story was on the 1st of September. That was yesterday. End of August. Pipelines, This follows a 12-year delay in the delivery of the equipment as a result of some managerial setbacks and cost the country a total of $63 million. The managing director of Bust, Edwin Provincial, in an interaction with City Business News, said an additional $8 million was used to repair some of the pipelines that were damaged as a result of a delay. TME. Come on, take me. Adam, yes, story in me catch there was sad. Miraho. Yami. Me danyame ase say ode me to me ma me yam ma me be free o man. God, I thank you.
He is smart.
I was humiliated by my colleagues and my peers.
Is the king.
I was vilified. I was insulted. I remember one day in front of multimedia, a colleague told me, "Oh, sorry, I'm kwasi asem na wo keka. Kotua court kano." And I told that person, "Oh, it's bisa, okay news."
Oh, I don't know.
And I told him that I know what I'm talking about, my brother. It must sound stupid. It might sound foolish today, but there's a day coming. I will be vindicated. The world would know that whatever I say in this country, I have something to prove. And I may call for documents, proper documents, investigation, which was conducted by the government of Ghana. And I made a table so. A failure. Missy said an appianti on the sign me query letter. No. We said an appianti abusano. An appianti marching. I didn't another hono. And then pipes na yes $63 million no. Me catch us pipes ni degu America bonten so pro pipes ni degu America bonten so say yes me bua o kwadwo smart ye nyambe tuaka o wo bua o say aje say na pipes ni egu ho no.
He is smart. He is unique.
Say na pipes nse ye tie bi ni
Captain Smart.
pipes na de beba no ebi kura susu chen say ye what tanks akase te say de esisi ho no aha pipes ni bi ni na kase de begu fom na woyere afam woyere ya other pipes no ya de besia $63 million besia and a kwaji ye enfie dumienu ebusiafo ye sakofa $8 million and said assign dia kosiesie ansa yetimi dia ba na do the delay of this as a result of foolishly stupidly managerial setbacks. Your Excellency, men fo bia ho nche da nanado we die faji udin na me mom nsem mam stupidly and foolishly managerial setback. What do you mean by that goddamn managerial setback? When a country is losing $63 million US, pipes in the guano, Atitia Pansama Pro, Ewa America Bontenso. Hey, Papa, a boss, Papa, Rabafufrono, I salute you, boss. Minim would da, Minshia would da, by Nyamio Hatasuru, own shout. And then, where a boss to boss now, head Sano. Thanks, yes, this way. Then he na tetia pansama say, yes, see a beya fufro. Said the beya Ghana betimia store oil. Then yetimia supply our neighboring countries. Na ometimi enya petrol, enya diesel. Current boss papa nini, ushia ni bebia can salute mami.
He is smart. He is unique.
Openi, minim would da, minshia would da. Hey, Nyamio Hatasuru we. Oma unsan won tafo anse wawu.
Captain Smart.
Hey, won person be wu biom kura. Wo de anyim obi sese ya. Nyame nhye da nche won tafo.
Of morning shows.
Papa we saw the need to follow what I said years back. Afai, yini free so. Ye this $8 million. And he had to repair pipes, no. And so I signed the good ship, and they have been Ghana. Ebe. Ghana and penny for more year. Are there we will come where we are? We are that what you are. Utria school fees are. We call who meeting now. Tie! Sa project ya adwaje se hunu akwakwa tie woni sa sa de ye hu boss mpani for makumaku edumiensa and a business class mu free and clean ekwasi JFK tie wokodu JFK no hotel a wokoda ye no they were paying as of that time $1,350 per night for 13 people. What's it? $1,350 $350 per night for 13 people. And yet net 1,350. I am talking about 2008 and 9. That $1,350 a night hotel. And we die. We did 3 days. Ewo bronze. Abontenso. We free bronze, no. We come Maryland. You for Maryland. Friend say Jesus, mami Maryland.
When?
Me come Maryland.
When?
We could deal Maryland and nine.
Okay.
We no. Okay. But say details. I mean, what was our story? We know. Me say be chance. Me funye mu. Say about fufro. When him say we no. You say baby the locked up funds.
Okay.
Loan na ye de call ye no. Na $14 million. Besin ne. Womo hwehwe ye besin ne. Sa $14 million no ho. Ena ma ye de me call court.
Na scan way.
$14 million. And you are 209.
Na scan way.
Now a pesa sika na wo hu.
Na scan way.
And you sign another nkrata. Ekwaje another loan of $22 million.
Okay.
What the $22 million? They can $63 million. Why you saying $83 million? That time, na niyama we ankasano na ye betimi atua tiemi ye. Na niyama we na ye $44.4 million. 444. And no na da mahama lusu election onya 44.4 no because I say or ye bust pipe no and then match that was here. When I describe Mahama's vote percentage no as bust pipe. Na me tell 44.4. And then you have $44.4 million. It could be $63 million. Huh? Yeah? Nyami obetua ye come go nyami onyamai.
Will judge you.
And there $44.4 million no. Yeah, the $63 million na koye.
Okay.
Ye tuawie. Ye tuawie yen so a. Ye nyanyansa ni bia. Mo ye kurase ni. Emana ankoje. Yenye panimu bi onim nyansa. Eti. That time na Kofi Ada energy minister, Ushana Abusa no. Oba me show no so that time. Kofi Ada be catch him say me nim hu hwe smart.
Okay.
Busa obi a otie ye. Mo frante na plenty so ontie, no frɛ chikwam. Na osi onim hu hwe.
Okay.
Na mmom no eye boss mpanimfo na de document ne baaye na o sign ye and o ma the go ahead no approve ye enti na onim se na boss the phone take delivery of the pipes and amene Kofi Ada ewie ye. He was the last person to appear on that show who appeared on the show to end this matter. I was just looking at various avenues to pull personalities who has an idea about this whole nonsense to appear on my show to say a word. What saved me was Kofi Ada's interview. And I'm a query no.
Captain
Eko ye no. Ya nye me hwe.
He is smart.
Because Kofi Ada came to confirm, say yes.
Captain Smart is the king.
He came before me and I approved. And I'm so and they're smart can
Morning shows.
no correct. What him say? A whole company lawyer na ye fama me no me bottom secretary lawyer nka. Because I was rejected, dejected and subjected to humiliation. So I had to pay the lawyer myself. I was told in plain language, say, where dear, the company will never give me a lawyer. So I had to pay the lawyer from my own pocket. But che na che. E che. E bebem. And then you signed the $8 million. Say $8 million boss to Nibi. It's a year kwaje besia. The son say you pay $8 million, Pepe Penty, 12, 13 point something million dollars. Na yɛtetetete de aka ho ni na wi a yɛsan enya $8 million. Ɛde akɔ repair. Yɛde akɔ repair. Hɛtie aban no report na wɔyɛɛyɛ about sad pipes we know. I kept the copy. It is still sitting in my library. Dabi anu kura de agwa de nto adwenem tie. Wowa America for na ba ye na. Won be ye, won se ye fa bi geometric calculation brofa kase sa. Won de lady baako. What the time nti ma me fancy her. Na Monday meka ho asem ma me nkyere wade Emma 3 eba Ghana wo ho later no they brought Emma mienu wo koye ma ne ka baako God in there no ya akwada onim de okeka ma me nkyere wade eno achi no Ministry of Energy as of that time hotel na ya na Accra City Hotel na your friend said no hotel meboa. Very good. A branch any di no hotel 7 months. Ghana buying the tree ahoka. What they wunyan take we say
I don't know.
Hey, ye nkurasefo.
We kurasefo.
Ye nkurasefo. Ye nimbie. A branch any di ye. Every nsa e wo krom ha. Time a okọ Billa no hotel present ye as of that time. Na every month no papa no na oblow your friend say 122,000 it would cost sikada mo be say 1.2 billion na ne car ojato ye every month e ye 1.2 billion.
God will judge you.
Because baby order the odie the onum the den ni na no na ban na otua ye wie na $63 million egwuram. I said yes, I could pay $8 million. I still have that document. I still have that document. Professor Mills, and officially, Ocho Krata Koma. A year bust that time, Nanny Power, no share bust, and no Sanso share tall. Your friend of Debe, we are your friend say. And what Dako more. Your friend a word dako. And I'm commission that report. On my way home. Ye hear nipa odwe. Nipa onimu nyansa. Na no me catch us kwa me be kan se me 2024. You will see a young man, intelligent but crazy.
He is smart. He is unique. He is the best.
And listen,
Captain Smart is the king.
this country will definitely be renovated. Ghana is an old building. It requires renovation. We are going to renovate this country. And listen good.
He is smart. He is unique.
Fourth Republic away,
Captain Smart.
after 30 years, we have come to appreciate the fact that we've never had thinking leaders.